Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So what we are going to do today is that we are going to track our mouse signals through coding in a P5 web editor. So let's begin. Guys, for tracking we need to add valves, which will be X valves, Y valves and B valves. So let's begin. X valves. So first the statement will be let x valve is equal to the square brackets, and then let means where we have to do it same. Okay, so see, we have done like x valves, v valves and y valves and b valves. Now after create canvas we have to do stroke weight, stroke width, weight, which will be 2, and then we have to go in a background. We can't take background as any, so I'm taking not more than 6 arguments. Okay, we cannot take more than 6 arguments. And now for statement has to be used, and for let I is equal to 1, and then I is smaller than width, and then I plus plus. Okay, and then after it we have to just copy this. We just copy x vowels, y vowels, and we'll paste it here. And what the changes we have to make is that in x vowels it will be I minus 1. Minus 1 is equal to equal to x vowels. Okay, and then okay guys, so we have done. So guys, for now just ignore these red errors which are coming. So let's begin with the coding. Now what we have to do is that x vowels with minus 1 with minus 1 is equal to mouse x mouse x, and then y vowels is same. We have to do it same. So y vowels then with minus 1 bracket is equal to mouse equal to mouse y, and then we will not use b vowels here. because we will take it in if and else statement. So if mouse is pressed, if mouse is pressed, then b valves, we will use b valves here. So with b valves with -1 is equal to 0, and then now we'll use else statement here, only else, and then okay, else b valves with -1 is equal to 255. Okay, and then curly bracket, and then what we have to do is take fill 255, or you can take any color. Let's take 262, 2625, and then stroke, no stroke, and then a rectangle. We'll make 3 rectangles, so we'll give the command accordingly in one statement only. 0 height. We'll make a big rectangle, but we are going to divide it in 3 groups, divided by 3, comma width, comma height, width, comma height, which will be divided by 3 again, and then plus 1. Okay. Now we'll use for statement for let I is equal to 1, and then I is smaller than if with comma I plus plus, and then curly bracket. And now what we have to do is we have to take stroke, we'll take 255, and then point I, comma x valves and I in square brackets divided by 3. And now what we have to do is write stroke 0, and then now point I I comma y wells and here what we have to write, we have to write height divided by 3. So if we are going to divide rectangle into 3, width into 3, height, so height will also be divided into 3 groups. So height 3 divided by 3, y vowels, and I between square brackets, and then divided by 3. So now we'll take stroke. Stroke will be of 255, and then line bracket started. So this is the last paragraph which we are going to write. So guys, this is our last stanza, which is, oh sorry, not, it's last paragraph, which was that I comma 2 into height divided by 3 plus b vowels, because it will be obviously divided by 3, both numbers will be divided by 3 because there will be 3 rectangles. And now here same coding, like b vowels and b vowels. Here just we have written it for just if mouse is pressed statement, so the I will be subtracted by 1 and it will be divided by 3. And here this bracket closed, circular bracket was opened, so now we have closed it. And then here in these lines only, here it was coming error, so we have just code the brackets, we have just draw the brackets here. So our coding is now correct, and now it's time to see the output. Run. So see guys, this is 3 rectangles, and these are the signals, like the lines are showing to us. See guys, my mouse is at rest position, so it is showing that the mouse is at rest position. But if I just move my mouse, so it will show that the mouse is moving. It will show, it is showing slowly. See guys, I am moving my mouse here and there. And guys, see, if my mouse is pressed, see, I have pressed my mouse, so the signal, my computer, my device, or my compiler will not track that signal, because the mouse is not moving on clicking. If the mouse moves on clicking, so it will track that signal. Okay, so let's try once more and see, like, do heartbeats. heartbeats are curly, zigzag, and it's straight, but it is curved. So if we change the background, it's nice color. And if we just okay, it's same. Let's just light mild. Okay, guys. So this was the coding for today. Hope you enjoy this coding, guys. Please like and subscribe my channel. Bye.